Bond is denied for the last person seen with the Kansas City reporter before his death at a Kenner hotel room. And as Chris Welty reports, preliminary toxicology reports show a drug in his system.
A Kenner detective says preliminary toxicology results show Xanax in the system of Kansas City sports reporter Adan Manzano at the time of his death in a Kenner hotel room during Super Bowl week. Police say 48-year-old Danette Colbert is the last person caught on video with Manzano. The detective says Manzano was not prescribed the drug, and it's unclear when Manzano took it or who gave it to him. At this time, Colbert faces multiple charges including bank fraud, computer fraud, and robbery, but police believe more charges could come. Colbert's private defense attorney enrolled as her counsel Tuesday morning.
Case is too young. There's too much information to still get.
During a preliminary hearing, Kenner detective Jeffrey Fitzmaurice testified that Colbert was identified by Homeland Security using a variety of technology, tattoos, stills of hotel surveillance, and law enforcement familiar with Colbert identified her from her alleged criminal history.
She's scared, she's frustrated, she's upset, she's innocent of the charges, and she's looking forward to proving it.
Police say Colbert left Manzano for 15 minutes in his hotel room and drove to a nearby gas station before briefly going back. Colbert is accused of trying to use Manzano's card at an ATM, but was blocked because she exceeded the number of PIN attempts. During testimony, a detective said the ATM receipt, one of Manzano's credit cards, and his phone were found in Colbert's Slidell home, as well as drugs. Colbert's defense attorney argues Manzano was consuming lots of alcohol, and no video shows Colbert giving Manzano drugs.
There's been no reason to believe that she would flee the jurisdiction. She's appeared in court in any circumstance that she's been previously called. So there would be no reason to believe that she'd flee.
The commissioner calls Colbert a danger to society, adding, people come across her and become victims of crime.
The district attorney's office argues Colbert has an extensive criminal history locally and in Las Vegas with similar charges.
Anybody's history or allegations of what's happened before shouldn't be how somebody's judged now.
If convicted, Colbert could face 20 years to life in prison. In Gretna, Chris Welty, Fox 8 Local First.
Colbert is set to appear in Orleans criminal court tomorrow morning. The Orleans DA filed a motion to revoke Colbert's probation. Last November, Colbert was sentenced to probation in order to pay restitution after a jury found her guilty of stealing thousands of dollars from a man that she met in the French Quarter.